Hey everybody, it's Chad with Nobody Else's Auto. Tonight we're going to check out some more cool new inventory. Now, if you've been hanging out with us on here for a while, you know I like F-bodies. I like Firebirds, I like Camaros, I grew up with them. I've got a bunch of them in my own collection, and I do really like them. And actually, believe it or not, preferably second, third, and fourth gen cars. Not that big on first gen cars. Never really got me too excited. I like the second gen, the third gen, and the fourth gen most. And always like adding them to the yard too, because they're getting so tough to find, and finding the pieces is getting tough, and finding decent bodies are getting tough. So I'm always excited when I bring a new F-body in, and I've actually picked a few of them up lately. One of them we're going to show you right now, this 1983 Pontiac Trans Am. Pretty much a complete old car, just rough, been sitting for a long time. Still has the wheels on it. We'll come around here, we can go ahead and take a peek inside. Pretty much intact other than the radio, just weathered and aged. You know, a lot of these cars, they led a hard life. They got parked, they got put in storage, and a lot of them just sat. And that's kind of what happened with this old car. It is there's a lot of pieces still left. Not a terribly rusty car, pretty much intact. Just an old car that's been sitting for a long time and showing its age. You see it's a factory T-top car. Work our way on around the back. And like I said, it's just pretty much all here, which is getting tough to find on these cars. Taillights, this rear spoiler, pretty much intact, just old and aged and weathered. But as we look around this car, we look at the body, we don't see a lot of rust in it. Even these spots like here, it's just surface rust. Don't see hardly, don't see structure rust. Amazingly enough, we can look at this door gap here. The door gap still fits. So, like I said, a lot of stuff on these cars that didn't last is still here. Maybe it's because this car was parked. Maybe it has been sitting for a long time. But that may have also been what helped get it to where it's at today. We'll take a peek under the hood while we're here. Once again, pretty much intact, just old, dirty, and been sitting for a long time. Looks like some of the AC's been taken apart on it, but engine and everything's still all there. Most of the rest of the pieces are there, just old, dirty, and been sitting. But like I said, maybe that's what's helped save it. Still got the fresh air stuff on the bottom side of the hood even the remnants of the old Firebird decal on the hood still there. We look at the front of this car. Obviously these grills are falling apart, which is pretty common. That wasn't the best material. They did come apart, but the nose is still there, the park lights are there, the headlight assemblies are there. Really, the old car just not in terrible shape considering its age and what a lot of these cars went through. But like I said, the fact that it got parked, maybe that's what helped preserve it. The car's not beat up too bad, got the Trans Am fender vents in it. Just a lot of good things going for this car, even though it is a little rough around the edges and it has been sitting for a really long time. So, but like I said, I love F-bodies. I always get excited about them. Definitely want to show them to you when they come in, so we had to show you this one too. So anyway, that's what we've got for you tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like checking them out. This car also has a clean title on it, so if somebody, down the road, maybe there is a future for this car still. You never know. They're neat cars. They're getting hard to find, and it's pretty much intact, and that's got a lot going for it compared to what a lot of them do anymore, and it is a Trans Am. So anyway, that's what we've got tonight. If you're on Facebook, please share the video with your friends. Invite them to come over, give the page a like so they can check it out. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos, old cars, old trucks, memorabilia, car events. That's what we do here because that's what we love. If you have any specific questions about this Trans Am or any of the rest of the stuff you see behind me, we've got about 1,500 cars on 20 acres of ground. Give me a call. That's the only way to get a hold of me. 620-786-4428. That number's on the page. Give me a shout so we can have a conversation about your project or what you want your project to be. Year, make, model, body style. What you want it to be when it's done. Things like that. That information helps me know what I'm looking for when I go out here and start looking for if I've got anything here that might help you out with your project. So all that information is critical. That's why that phone call is so important. What we can talk about in a minute or two on the phone gets me on the right track with what you want to do, and then I can see if I can help you out with anything. So as always, thanks for watching, everybody. Really appreciate you stopping by, hanging out tonight, checking out what we've got going on. Stay tuned, more cool videos coming up, lots more inventory coming in. I've been buying a ton of cars, been even a little bit tough keeping up with new videos as inventory's been coming in. So don't want to miss anything, want to keep bringing it to you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying it. We will see you soon on the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. you.